Ever wondered why some businesses thrive while others barely survive? The secret often lies in their pricing strategy. Today, we'll uncover how mastering your pricing can be the game changer for your business success. Underpricing your services might seem like a good idea to attract customers, but it can lead to financial strain. Let's explore common pitfalls and how to avoid them, ensuring your pricing reflects your true value. Whether you're on a smartphone or desktop, these worksheets are designed for convenience. We'll share tips on using them across different devices, ensuring you have access anytime, anywhere. Determining your hourly rate is crucial. We'll show you how to adjust your pricing to reflect your skills and market demand, ensuring you're not leaving money on the table. Introducing the Profitable Pricing Blueprint, the revolutionary done-for-you tool that automatically calculates a detailed breakdown of product costs and combines those with your monthly workspace costs and square footage, commonly referred to as overhead, and factors them into an hourly rate. No more undercharging. No more making less than minimum wage in your business. The Profitable Pricing Blueprint helps consultants, service providers, and product creators set prices with profitability in mind. Let's recap the key steps in using the Profitable Pricing Blueprint. You'll first want to enter the products you typically use to create a product or provide a service. For example, consultants might enter their monthly Zoom subscription price and how many consultations they complete monthly. Then, the cost per service, in this case a consultation, is automatically calculated. Next, you'll enter the cost of your space if you work outside the home or your square footage details, and space cost if you work from home. Your space cost per day is automatically calculated. Finally, you'll enter the customer's cost along with how many customers you serve or products sold daily. Watch as the Profitable Pricing Blueprint automatically calculates your hourly rate while factoring in the cost of your overhead, space, and product costs. Transparent and consistent pricing is vital for building trust and ensuring you're compensated fairly for your expertise. Ready to take control of your pricing strategy? Start using the Profitable Pricing Blueprint worksheets today and ensure you're getting paid what you deserve. Your journey to profitable pricing begins now.